So I went to the store because I wanted more kettlebells. I only have two, the 5 pound and the 10 pound. So I went to a few different stores that I knew I could get my workout material from for the low, which is usually Five Below and like Ross and Marshall and stuff like that. So when I was in Five Below, I was able to get two kettlebells, a 5 pound and an 8 pound. They didn't have a 10 pound, so I needed to go into like Ross or Marshall's. But anyway, so I go into Marshall's first because I'm looking for a 10 pound kettlebell. So I didn't find one, but I decided to go and check like the perfume area because you know they have like name brand perfumes for the low in there. And I have a list of perfumes that I don't know if you guys remember, but on my 30th birthday, my mom bought me like a huge perfume sampler set. But this was back like in 2021, so you actually get the really cute little bottles and not like those little small things that they give now, right? So in that I have a list of perfume, and usually when I go on Marshalls I check and see if I can find any of that for a discounted price. So I did today see Coach Dreams, and then I saw the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. They had the Coach Dreams in there that's regularly like $74, and I saw it in there for $40, so why not grab it, right? I did purchase the Coach Dreams, and y'all see it was $39.99. Oh, it's that way. It was $39.99, and y'all, this is such a really good going to brunch spring perfume, okay? So let me get it open for you guys on camera. I love this. Love this, okay? So cute, so sparkly and girly. Okay, there was one that was larger than this too, but I just got this one because I usually like that. This is a perfect size for me. There we go. Ooh. They got this little plastic thing. Okay, we're gonna take that off. Oh, okay. The sprayer is right there on the top. I was like, wait a minute, where's that? Y'all, I love the smell of this stuff. It's so clean and fresh and girly and just, but that is so cute. So cute, so cute. Anyway, y'all, it's Tuesday night. I don't have to work. My second job, obviously, because I'm home. So I'm about to do a workout with my kettlebells by my girl Kamaya. I'm not going to include it because I feel like that could be boring to y'all. But anyway, I'll check in with y'all later.
You got a star in my head. You need to raise war with my friend. True, you're so bad when I need to be down, but I don't want more with you. For my friend, you're my lady. You're my lady. We say you, we can party, we got you.
Voiceover me checking in. So I want to let you know, before I started applying my press-on nails, I did prep my nails by just filing the bit of my nails and then taking that off with some alcohol on a cotton ball, and then I also pushed back my cuticles, and then I also cut down my nails because they had grown out a bit with my last press-on set. So I did cut those down just so that they wouldn't be peeking through. And I think the only thing that I don't show you guys is me filing the little bit of the tip of the top of the press-on nail. So make sure you do that too so you can get a really clean look. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying. French tip toes, you guys. I have not done French tip toes in so long, but these are so cute. I think I'm gonna stick with this for my next 2 pedicures. But anyway, you guys saw that I came home in this really cute set on my nails. These are the Kiss Medium. So this is the vibe they were giving the girls. French tip nails and toenails. These are so stinking cute.
I'm here. We got the Ciroc going. We're gonna get it flowing. Yeah. You know, it's a taste test. It's about that time.
I've heard great things.
Let's see.
Oh, let me smell.
Ooh.
Let me see.
It's lemony.
Mmm.
Right?
Oh, friend, I got flashbacks.
Oh, what?
Austin. What is it giving?
Ooh, yeah. I see what you meant. Okay, let's see. It's lemony.
It's lemony?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I like it though.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction now, cause I'm falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no.
So I got ice in here and a shake. So I'm gonna take 2 shots of this.
2 shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka.
And a splash for good luck.
Part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. You're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away.
Yeah. 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 A bad babe.
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, I was about to say it's pineapple. I like it.
Yeah.
Wow, we say about Chrissy all the time. I'm so sorry. Right, I went there. What? This side, you're sitting right there. You're low hanging fruit.
Happy Black people
You're sitting plug on
to you.
So that's it's Women's History Month, by the way.
Happy Women's History Month.
Yeah, for sure.
She's being responsible and typing, doing her dissertation.
Hey, let's guess Travis.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
that was really good.
Thank you so much.
Let's see.
Yeah. That baby lit. And we finna go get drunk.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Bianca, did you know? Stop.
Hey there,
We're gonna win this circuit.
Little.
That does raise money. That does raise money. That's true. These are all things that are true. Although I heard that
Pop open a bottle of champagne. Yeah, I got
We
birthday.
should totally get champagne.
What time is it?
Are we okay? To 10. Yeah, we should get champagne.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking bitches. I pull her with a lemon. Nigga, she ain't living. It's just your eyes get it. And this ain't a scrimmage.
Why did you say that? Why would you say that?
Tell the paparazzi get the lens wide. Got the window down, top blown live.